Hey there, I am Paraskevi, and yes, my name means Friday in Greek. Welcome to my podcast, Tech Break by Friday, where I'm going to explore the exciting world of technology, AI, and how to make them work for us, not against us. You know, I've always been fascinated by how technology shapes our lives. I've noticed something very interesting. While tech advances at a lightning speed, many of us feel left behind or overwhelmed. That's exactly why I started this podcast. I want to bridge the tech skills gap and share knowledge in a way that's accessible to everyone. In the upcoming episodes, we will dive into practical tips for mastering everyday technology, breaking down complex AI concepts into bite sized chunks, and really world productivity hacks that actually works. Ways to stay human in our increasingly digital world. The best part, we will do it in a way that's really straightforward. So, if you would like to join the journey with me, please follow the show.